Hello friends, welcome to CAD Maniac. In this tutorial, we will learn how we can download and install Autodesk AutoCAD Electrical 2027. So to install AutoCAD Electrical 2027 version, click on the link provided in the description section below. Once you are on this page, click on Sign In. If you already have a student account, enter your login details and sign in. And if you don't, click on Create Account. Now enter your email ID. It can be your college email or personal email. Then click on I agree and go to next. You will receive a verification code on your email. Enter the code here and click next. Now enter your first name, last name and create a strong password. Check this box and click on create account. Wait for a few seconds. Now here you will see different software options. Click on select. But since we need a student license, click on select under student option. Scroll down. Choose your educational role as student. Enter your date of birth and click on continue. Here your country will already be selected. Now enter your address, city, state and postal code. Select your institution type. Enter your college or institution name and its website. Now enter your graduation date, select the month and year of passing. Check this box and click on continue. Now you need to upload your student verification document. For example, college I-card, library card or fee receipt. Click here, select the file from your computer and click on continue. Now click on submit. Verification may take up to 48 hours, but usually it gets approved immediately. Now check your email inbox. You will receive an approval email from Autodesk confirming your student access. This access is valid for 1 year. Now come back to the same page. Click on View All Products under Product section. Find AutoCAD. Click on Select and then click on Access Product. Here it is, AutoCAD Electrical 2027. Click on Install and then accept the terms and .exe file gets downloaded. Click on it and then click on Next and then click on Install. Once it gets installed, click on Start and you can use AutoCAD Electrical 2027 version. So that's it for this video guys. Everybody stay healthy, stay safe. Bye-bye.